In this video I will review the most expensive advent calendar I had this year. It's a makeup advent calendar from Fortnum and Mason and it's impressive. I hope that this video will help you to make your own choice among advent calendars. It would really help me if you like my video, even better subscribe for it, and if you feel inspired, leave a comment. I'm always excited to read your comments. It just looks beautiful. I was looking so much forward to start to open it. I paid for it more than 200 euro, and then the value of the products, the way I calculated it, was a bit more than 900 euro. So it's a good value for money if you have good products. I'd say that impressed me every time I opened it. So let's start. Number one, it was a very good begin. Brazilian Kiss Lip Butter with Cupuaçu. It's from Sol de Janeiro. It's made in the USA. Maybe you recognize this brand, Sol de Janeiro. Somehow I recognize it, so I guess I had some product before. People are kissing, very tempting. It feels very good on your lips. You don't even feel it. That's what you want with the lip balm. You want to put it on and not to feel any stickiness or that it disappears immediately. So I applied a lot during the day. The next product, it was also a lip product, which I was happy about because I like lip products. Lip plumping treatment from Instant Effects. It's some Oxygen 2+ technology. The thought behind this technology is that it doesn't sting your lips, so you don't feel uncomfortable. It feels just like a simple balm. You put it on your lips and then after 5 minutes you take it away. The result should be that immediately after 2 minutes you see that your lips are 20% fuller. As you can see, I already have small lips. I used it a lot of times, quite a lot. I hope it made my lips bigger, but you know, when you have small lips, kind of you don't see the result. But anyway, it was a pleasant experience. It is a pleasant experience. Product number 3, we got this small tube Pruner Plum Beauty Oil. It's 100% plum oil. It's one of my favorites. I really like it. As you can see, I already used most of it. It smells amazing. It feels very good on your skin. You can put it on your face. It's a face oil, but you can as well put it on your hair. I put it on my hair a few times, but then I feel that it's a waste because I like this oil and I want to use it for my face as much as possible because then I can smell it more, feel it more. Then number 4, we got a sample size product from Chantecaille. This cream is made in Switzerland, so it's quite confusing how I should pronounce the word, the name of the company. You can read it on the screen. This cream is super expensive. For the full size product you will pay more than 200 euro. If you want to know my opinion about how it feels on my face, I don't see anything special because I also think that this product is for more older skin where you will really feel and see the result. The next, number 5, we received 3 products in one box. It was very exciting, right? 3 products, but I don't know, it's just a shower gel, then we have a body hydrator, and then we have a body lotion. I think that those body lotion and body hydrator, it's kind of the same thing. We got shower gel with the smell of Rumbambar, and then we got a body hydrator with the smell of Rumbambar, which you should use after the shower, and then we got some random body lotion from Tea Rose. I think the third one is third wheel. These 3 products are from the brand Noble Isle. It's a new tradition. It's from the UK. I am sure that these are high quality, high brand products, but for me I didn't see much difference or value, or I don't know, it's just there in my bathroom. Product number 6 is this cream from Dr. Russo with SPF 30 high protection from ultraviolet, and it's a sun protective brush on all day moisturizer. It's for your face. The price of it, it's not less not more 49 euro, quite expensive. Number 7, we got Aromatherapy Associates from London with Perfect Partners, and we are wondering what is that. It's quite heavy, and when you open it you see this. These are 2 small bottles. These are sample bottles with bath oil. They have special smells. Let's see, one of them is Revive Morning and the other one is Distress Muscle. How you use this oil, you just put a few drops in your bath, and then, or you have a reviving morning, or you have a bath after training or hard day and you're just relaxing your muscles. Anyway, I don't have a bathtub in my apartment, and this one goes to Ukraine. Number 8, we got these 2 small tiny samples. Look so cheapish, I don't know. I thought it's some random door. These are from Sisley Paris, and when I looked at the price, it's quite expensive. So we have this black rose cream mask. You're supposed to put this mask for 10-15 minutes and then remove, and the price of the full size of this product, which is 6 times bigger, it's 90 euro, which makes this small tube, I don't know, 15 euro. Very expensive. Anyway, next one we got the black rose, also black rose, so some consistency. Black rose skin infusion cream, and this cream is even more expensive. The price for the tube, which is 6 times bigger, it's 150 euro. So in one box we got these 2 small tubes, which I thought it's worth nothing. They're worth about 40 euro together. Number 9, eye patches from Patchology. Anyway, these are Flash Patch Restoring Night Eye Gels, and you have 5 of those in this package. They are made in Korea, like kind of I have a feeling all the masks in the world are made in Korea. I used 4 of them. You just put it underneath your eyes for 5 minutes and it gives some cooling effect to your eyes, especially if you're very tired. Number 10, we got Ila Apothecary Keep Calm Hand and Body Lotion. This product is not that expensive. I'm quite spoiled with this advent calendar, you know. I know it's supposed to be calming with a calming effect, calming smell. I just don't like the smell. I also think maybe I have allergy for this cream because my skin starts to itch when I put it already a few times. And number 11, it's a day cream from Lucia Magnani. The bottle, as you can see, it looks amazing, fancy, expensive, luxurious, I don't know. Honestly, I don't like excessive things like gold, tiger, but it looks nice. I've heard it from a few people that it looks nice. This is a sample size cream, and the full size will cost you more than 200 euro, which makes this small bottle cost about 70 euro. Did I use it? I didn't use it. I don't know. It smells like any other cream. It has this cream smell. And here we have some products from Be Original Iconic London eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow. Every time I kind of hope, please give me a nice shadow of the eyeshadow, but no, every time it's almost the same, like bronzy golden color. I suppose you can see a bit of the effect it should give on your eyes, like a chrome effect. At the beginning I thought it's a sample size of a cream, but it's a chrome flash eye pot, Spellbound. But like I said, no, I'm not a fan of this shade, so I suppose this will go as a present. Door number 13, the thing was so nice that I gave it as a present, so I don't have anything to show you. It was a hand cream, and also this hand cream or lotion was from the same brand as the first lip balm from Sol Janeiro, and it had the same delicious smell. Door 14, we got this cream from Christian Breton Paris. It's a Liftox serum, caviar and collagen extracts. This tube or bottle, what's inside I don't know. It costs 80 euro for 15 milliliters. This goes directly to my mother because I really hope that it's some powerful lifting cream. Number 15, we got this cream from Aurelia Probiotic Skincare. This is a Cell Revitalize Night Moisturizer. I have a few things to tell about this. First, it smells quite good. That's the first thing. It smells actually powerful. Then this bottle, it's a sample size actually, believe it or not. So the real size, it's twice as big. But even for this amount of cream, you will pay about 30 euro. And luckily from another advent calendar, I got serum from the same line, Aurelia Cell Revitalize, and I use these 2 products together. And yes, so far I like the feeling which it gives. Just the skin feels refreshed, no allergic reaction or bad reaction. And next 2 doors, it's door number 16 and 17. I kind of had a peek inside. I really hoped that it would be a shampoo and conditioner. That would be logical. But we got a shower gel and body lotion. Again, am I happy? No, I was not happy with those two doors. And also, these two products, they were not in one door. This was shower gel in one door and body lotion in another. Okay, that was introduction to this product. This product is from Bramley. It's body wash with grapefruit, lavender and sweet orange essential oils. And like I told you, in the next door we got a body lotion from Bramley, and this time with another smell, with Jupiter, sweet orange and bergamot essential oils. I'm dubious about the different smells. On one side, maybe they wanted us to smell different things and to make our own choice which one we like more and which one we want to buy further. But on the other side, for me and for the user for whom this time would be the first and maybe the last time of using this product, I would prefer to have a shower gel and body lotion of the same smell, so at least on the few occasions I can have this nice body smell which is consistent. And now I will use shower gel number 1 and then body lotion with another smell. I don't think my body smells with anything after that. Number 18, we got the Balm 27 Bio Energizing Cell Repair Balm. There is not much information on this bottle. This product again is quite expensive. It's a bit more than €100. It's from Me Skin Lab in Paris. It says that you should not resell it individually, which obviously states the fact that it's a sample size and it's something maybe that you can get for free. And then when you open it, you have this perfect feeling. It delights me even to look how perfect the spiral is with the point in the end, how smooth it is. But the small downside, I don't like the smell at all. To me, it smells like a spoiled product. Is it supposed to smell like that? I don't know. Number 19. Products from this door I use the most. I use them almost every day. I like them. I think it's one of the few products in this box which I will buy again, because I like it very much. It's from Fresh, it's made in USA and it is affordable. For example, these are sample sizes, but for 50 milliliters you will pay around €13, which after all those creams of €100, €200 and you name it, this feels very down to earth. These are two cleansers from Fresh. One cleanser is with soy and it's soft and smooth, and the other cleanser is with sugar, strawberry and also with exfoliating effect, and I love both of them. Soy is very soothing, soft, and after you wash this soy cleanser out from your face, you don't feel any stickiness on your face. You don't feel that there was anything. It's just clean and soft and smooth. This Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliator Cleanser, it's definitely my favorite, one of my favorites. It has this very soft exfoliating effect on your face and the smell is amazing. The smell reminds me of Coca-Cola. I am not sure how close it is to the truth. It's strawberry and sugar. Oh my god. Door number 20, we got a small sample from Guerlain from the line Abeille Royale. It's a sample size, 5 milliliters. I use, as you can see, half of it. It's a serum for your face and it has this rich woman smell. And it has those small bubbles inside also. It's kind of fun. I think it's one of my only products where I have those bubbles. And then when you put it on your face, you still kind of a bit feel that it's something hard, but then they just disappear. And we are finishing. We have our last 5 products. Almost all of them are full-size products. Let's start with this mascara. This mascara is from Delilah. It's definitive mascara, so not volumizing. Actually, it says volumizing and defining mascara, but I like the defining part because I like my eyelashes to be defined. The brush is kind of the one they use for volumizing mascaras, but also you see that it's very clean in sense of that the liquid is liquid, not thick as for volumizing mascaras. Next product we got Cult 51 London. This cream is for your neck and décolleté and it's supposed to make older skin, which is soft and dribble, more firm and nourished. and this one I will send to my mother, also because it's quite expensive. This one is 100 euro. I wonder what my mother thinks of it. We received the sample of this cream. I was so disappointed. I was thinking, what is that? Again, some small sample, worthless. It's from 3Lab WW Cream, anti-wrinkle with brightening complex. I used it a few times and I felt that my skin is itchy. And now the exciting fact about this cream, the full bottle will cost you more than 500 euro. 500 euro for a face cream, which makes this small bottle cost about 150 euro. The thing I'm holding in my hand is 150 euro. I think it was also one of the disappointing moments, because this one makes the value of this calendar go so much up. And yeah, you have products of more than 900 euro, but then you have a small bottle of face cream which you don't even like that much, and it's 150 euro. Door number 24, we got the Silent Night Cream Pillow Mist. It's with the smell of lavender. Every time if it's about sleeping, it's lavender smell. And it says, we believe in the healing properties of plants. Being at one with the land, we understand the power of nature. This sleeping mist is from Bamford. It's 50 milliliters full-size product. This one I will give as a present because I do not need a sleeping mist. I sleep thankfully very good at the moment. Any place, anytime, just give me the opportunity. The last box, I think it was quite symbolic, number 25, and we have a bag for the makeup. And it's actually not a simple bag, it's quite fancy. It's nice inside with some pocket and the brand name, and outside it's a velvet with the stars and moon. I think it's very lovely. This makeup bag was made in China, but all those patterns, all those stars were made in the UK. Thank you very much for staying with me till the end and watching this long video. I hope it will help you in choosing your own advent calendar maybe. See you next time, and for now, have a good day or night.